Strapi versus Directus. Which headless CMS is better? Choosing the right headless CMS can completely change how you manage content without complicated setups. Strapi and Directus both offer unique strengths and approaches to content management. Strapi and Directus are popular headless CMS platforms designed for flexible content management. The core difference lies in Strapi's JavaScript-based framework with built-in API generation, while Directus offers a data-first approach with a dynamic API on top of existing databases. Strapi is an open-source headless CMS built on Node.js that allows developers to create customizable APIs quickly. It works by providing an intuitive admin panel where users define content types and fields, automatically generating RESTful or GraphQL APIs. Its strengths include a robust plugin ecosystem, ease of customization with JavaScript, and active community support. Strapi's flexibility makes it ideal for projects needing fast API development and integration with modern JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue. However, Strapi requires some backend knowledge to optimize performance and security, and hosting is self-managed unless using third-party services. It suits developers and teams looking for a developer-friendly, extensible CMS with control over API design and deployment. Directus is an open-source headless CMS that layers a dynamic API and user-friendly interface on top of any SQL database. It works by connecting directly to your existing database schema, allowing you to manage content with a no-code admin app while exposing a flexible REST or GraphQL API. The main strength of Directus is its data-first approach, which means it doesn't impose a data structure but adapts to your database, making it perfect for projects with existing databases or complex data models. Directus also supports granular permissions and custom workflows. Its limitations include a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with database design, and some features require more manual setup compared to other CMSs. It's ideal for teams needing full control over database architecture and wanting to unify content management with existing data systems. Strapi excels when building new projects from scratch, especially for JavaScript developers who want rapid API creation and customization. Its plugin ecosystem and active community accelerate development but require backend familiarity. Directus shines in scenarios where an existing database is in place or complex relational data needs management. Its no-code interface and direct database connection allow seamless integration without restructuring data. However, Directus demands more database knowledge and setup time. Choosing between them depends on your project. Strapi is better for flexible, code-driven API-first development, while Directus suits data-centric projects needing direct database control and no-code content management. Choose Strapi if you want a developer-friendly, JavaScript-based CMS with fast API generation and extensive customization for new projects and modern web applications. Opt for Directus when managing complex databases or existing data structures requiring a no-code interface and granular control. Both platforms offer powerful headless CMS solutions, so match your choice to your project's technical needs and workflow preferences for the best